Good morning students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions KSET online classes. Yesterday we discussed the topic vectors. Today we discuss the important topic 3D geometry. 3D geometry. First follow the key points. If A comma B comma C are the direction ratios DRs, direction ratios of a line L, then its direction cosines DCs are given by L comma M comma N equal to plus or minus of A by under the root of A square plus B square plus C square, comma B by under the root of A square plus B square plus C square, comma C by under the root of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay na? So if the direction ratios are given, if the direction ratios A, B, C is given, then find out direction cosines L comma M comma N. At that time use this formula. To find out the direction cosines you can use this formula. Next, the direction cosines of a line equally inclined to coordinate axis. Direction cosines of a line equally inclined to coordinate axis are plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. Next, if L comma M comma N are direction cosines of a line, then the relation between L and N, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. Generally we denoted by L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, N equal to cos gamma. That's why, so cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. So finally if you convert it to sine, so in the place of cos square alpha you write 1 minus sine square alpha, in the place of cos square beta you write 1 minus sine square beta, in the place of cos square gamma write 1 minus sine square gamma. At that time you change it to sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma equal to 2, value is 2. Next, if L1 comma M1 comma N1 and L2 comma M2 comma N2 are direction cosines of two lines, then angle between the two lines is cos theta equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Here two lines direction cosines is given. First line direction cosines are L1 comma M1 comma N1, second line direction cosines are L2 comma M2 comma N2. Then angle between two lines is cos theta equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Similarly, suppose if DRs is given, direction ratios are given, at that time A1, B1, C1 represent first line direction ratios, A2, B2, C2 represent second line direction ratios. At that time angle between two lines, is cos theta equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Next, according to this formula, if two lines are perpendicular, means cos theta is 90 degrees. Perpendicular means theta is 90 degrees. So cos 90 is 0. That's why you get A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. This is a perpendicular condition. If two lines are perpendicular, at that time use this condition A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0. Next, if two lines are parallel, at that time use the condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Next, equation of the plane passing through the points x1 comma y1 comma z1 and perpendicular to the line whose direction ratios are A comma B comma C is given by A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 equal to 0. Here x1 comma y1 comma z1 represents passing point. A comma B comma C are direction ratios of the normal. Next, length of the perpendicular from the point, that meaning is perpendicular distance from the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 on the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d. by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Next point, distance between the parallel planes ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0 is d1 minus d2 modulus by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Next point, important point, if the equation of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, this is in integer form, equation of the plane in integer form. At that time, centroid of the triangle is g equal to a by 3 comma b by 3 comma c by 3. Next point, if the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, integer form, meets the axis at a comma b comma c, that meaning is in on x axis meets the x axis at a, meets the y axis at b, meets the z axis at c, then area of the triangle ABC is given by, area of the triangle ABC is 1 by 2 under the root of a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. Next, foot of perpendicular. Next, how to calculate foot of perpendicular? The foot of perpendicular h comma k comma l from the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 on the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to l minus z1 by c equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. Next, image. The image h comma k comma l of the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 in the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to l minus z1 by c equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. If you take minus, you get the foot of perpendicular. If you take multiplied by minus 2, you get the image. First problem, the locus represented by xy plus yz equal to 0 is option A, pair of perpendicular lines, option B, pair of parallel lines, option C, pair of parallel planes, option D, pair of perpendicular planes. So take the given condition first, xy plus yz equal to 0. From here y common possible. So y common, remaining is x plus z equal to 0. So according to condition a into b equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That's why here y equal to 0 or x plus z equal to 0. So first equation compare with y equal to 0, compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. If you compare with this one, what you get? a1 value 0, b1 value 1 because of y quotient is 1. Here x term, z term deleted, not given. So b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to 0. Next, second equation x plus z equal to 0, compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. If this equation compare with this one, you get a2 equal to 1, next b2 equal to 0, next c2 equal to 1. So now check the perpendicular condition first. Now a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to, check this condition, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, you get the 0 only. So perpendicular condition is satisfied. So that's why the given locus is pair of perpendicular planes, option D. Next problem, this is important problem, in KSET 2017 came already. A plane 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 11 equal to 0 makes an angle sin inverse alpha, angle is sin inverse alpha with x axis, the value of alpha is, that meaning is plane given Plane makes an angle sin inverse alpha with x axis. Find out the alpha value. Option A root 3 by 2, option B root 2 by 3, option C 2 by 7, option D 3 by 7. See here, first we know that the direction cosines of x axis, the direction cosines of x axis are 1 comma 0 comma 0. That's why you can take DRs. Direction ratios of x axis are also 1 comma 0 comma 0. Next, what is the given plane? 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 11 equal to 0. So 1 0 0 treat as a1 b1 c1. Here x quotient, y quotient, z quotient take as a2 b2 c2. So what is the angle between formula? Sin theta equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Here in the place of theta given angle is sin inverse alpha. So sin inverse alpha equal to a1 a2. So 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 3 plus 0 into 6 by root over 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square into root over 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 6 square. So here 1 into 2 is 2, this one is 0, this one is also 0. So 2 by, this one is root 1, this one is root over 4 plus 9 plus 36. Root 1 value is 1 only, so that's why 2 by root 49. Root 49 value is 7, so 2 by 7 is the right answer. So here sin inverse cancel, remaining is alpha. That's why alpha equal to 2 by 7. So option is C. Next problem, distance of the plane r dot 2 by 7i plus 3 by 7j minus 6 by 7k equal to 1 from the origin is option A 1, option B 7, option C 1 by 7, option D none. First, given plane convert to Cartesian form. Given plane is in the form of vector form, so convert to Cartesian form. To convert to Cartesian form, in the place of r bar substitute xi plus yj plus zk. So this equation changed to xi plus yj plus zk dot 2 by 7i plus 3 by 7j minus 6 by 7k equal to 1. So you can do the dot product. How to do dot product? I into I, j into j, k into k. So 2 by 7 into x plus 3 by 7 into y. Next minus 6 by 7 into z equal to 1. If you take LCM, you get 2x plus 3y minus 6z equal to 7. Now calculate what? Distance from origin to the given plane. So what is the given plane? 2x plus 3y minus 6z minus 7 equal to 0. Already we know this formula. Perpendicular distance from origin to plane is modulus of d by root over a square plus b square plus c square. So that equal to, here what is the d value? Minus 7. So minus 7 modulus by root over a value 2, b value 3, c value minus 6. Substitute here 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 square. That equal to 7 by root over 4 plus 9 plus 36. 4 plus 9 plus 36 equal to what? 49. So root 49 denominator. So root 49 value is 7. So 7 by 7 equal to 1. So that's why option is first. A option. Next question. Distance between the planes 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 4 and 4x plus 6y plus 8z equal to 12 is option A 2, option B 4, option C 8, option D 2 by root 29. So what are the given planes? These given planes are, this is a multiple of 2. Suppose this plane is multiplied by 2, then x, y, z quotients are same. So that's why these two are parallel planes. So these two are parallel planes. That's why first plane multiplied by 2, because of this is a multiple of 2. So first equation multiplied by 2, you get 4x plus 6y plus 8z minus 8 equal to 0. Second plane is as it is, 4x plus 6y plus 8z minus 12 equal to 0. So first plane compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d1 equal to 0. So second plane compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d2 equal to 0. So what is the a value? A equal to 4, b equal to 6, c C equal to 8. Next, what about D1? D1 equal to minus 8, D2 equal to minus 12. So what is the formula? Distance between the parallel planes formula. Already you know this. Modulus of D1 minus D2 by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So substitute the values. Modulus of D1 equal to what? Minus 8 minus D2 value minus 12. So minus or minus plus 12 by root over 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square equal to 4 by root over 16 plus 36 plus 64. This value, how much denominator value? 116. So how to remove the root 116? 29 into 4 is 116. That's why root 4 value is 2. So you can write 4 by 2 into root 29. So final answer is 2 by root 29. So option D. Next problem. The planes 2x minus y plus 4z equal to 5 and 5x minus 2.5, this one is 2.5, y plus 10z equal to 6 are, first option perpendicular, second option parallel, third option intersect y-axis, fourth option passes through the point 0, 0, pi by 4. So first given two planes, you can verify the first two options. Parallel option verify once, perpendicular verify options. Which one is satisfied, that one is answer. If both option B, A and B fail, you can go for next options. So first, what are the given planes? 2x minus y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Second option, 5x minus 2.5y plus 10z minus 6 equal to 0. So first verify parallel condition. If parallel condition is not satisfied, go for perpendicular condition. So parallel condition. How to verify parallel condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So that's why x quotient by x quotient. So 2 by 5 equal to y quotient by y quotient minus 1 by minus 2.5. Next z by z. So 4 by 10. So 2 by 5 is nothing but 1 by 2.5. This is 1 by 2.5. This is also same 1 by 2.5. So this is satisfied A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 condition. That's why the given two planes are parallel. So option B is the right option. Next, if the lines, next problem, if the lines x minus 1 by minus 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2k equal to z minus 3 by 2, and that is the first line, the line is in the form of Cartesian form, that is both lines are in Cartesian form only. So what is the second line? X minus 1 by 3k equal to y minus 5 by 1 equal to z minus 6 by minus 5 are at right angles. Okay now? So the given two lines are right angle, then you find out the value of k. So both the lines are in the form of Cartesian form only. The two lines are perpendicular to each other. So find out k. Already you know perpendicular condition. If the two lines are perpendicular, condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. So here options given, 4 options is given. First option minus 10 by 7, second option 10 by 7, third option 7 by 10, fourth option minus 7 by 10. So you can write the first plane x minus 1 by minus 3, y minus 2 by 2k, z minus 3 by 2, and second line, given lines are x minus 1 by minus 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2k equal to z minus 3 by 2, and x minus 1 by 3k equal to y minus 5 by 1 equal to z minus 6 by minus 5. So the given lines compare with Cartesian form. What is the first line? Compare with x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. Second line compare with x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2. So denominator indicates a1 equal to minus 3, b1 equal to 2k, c1 equal to 2. Next, a2 equal to 3k, b2 equal to 1, c2 equal to minus 5. Now given lines are perpendicular, that's why you take the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. So minus 3 into 3k plus 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 3 into 3k is minus 9k plus 2k into 1 is 2k 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 equal to 0. Minus 9k plus 2k equal to minus 7k. Minus 10 bring this side equal to 10. So k equal to minus 10 by 7. So option is A. Next problem. The perpendicular distance of P1, 2, 3 from the line x minus 6 by 3 equal to y minus 7 by 2 equal to z minus 7 by minus 2 is option A 0, option B 5, option C 7, option D 10. Actually, we have the formula only perpendicular distance from point x1, y1, z1 to line, otherwise plane only. But here line is in the form of Cartesian form. So x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C, which is in the form of. So before last year came this model already, important model, before last year given this model problem. So you can take first given point is P, 1, 2, 3. So in the line passing point is 6, 7, 7, that is take as Q point. So 6, passing point is 6, 7, 7, Q, that one take as. Next to DRs, ABC, 3, 2, minus 2, take as next point R. First find out DRs of PQ, because of this is also point, this is also point. So direction ratios of PQ, how to calculate the direction ratios of PQ? Second point minus first point, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So that's why 6 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 3. So DRs of PQ equal to what? 5, 5, 4. So you have the direction ratios of PQ and given line direction ratios 3, 2, minus 2. Now calculate cross product of PQ cross R. So that equal to modulus of I, J, K. So PQ DRs 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4. Next to R DRs 3, 2, minus 2. So do determined value I of minus 10 minus 8 minus J of 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 plus K of 5 into 2 10 minus 3 into 5 15. So this equal to minus 18I plus 22J minus 5K. So required distance, the perpendicular distance from point to line is equal to modulus of PQ cross R by mod R. So this equal to, so PQ cross R vector is there. So calculate this magnitude. Magnitude is what? Minus 18 whole square plus 22 whole square plus minus 5 whole square root by modulus of R. Modulus of R. So 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square root. So 18 square value 324. 22 whole square value 484. Minus 5 square value 25 by root over 9 plus 4 plus 4. So numerator value total 833, denominator value 17. 833 by 17 is nothing but 49. So root 49 value is 7. So answer is 7. So next problem. The coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 2, 5, 7 on the x-axis are given by option A 2, 0, 0. Option B 0, 5, 0, option C 0, 0, 7, option D 0, 5, 7. You have to find out foot of perpendicular from point to x-axis. We have the formula, the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point x, y, z on the x-axis is x, 0, 0. Similarly for y-axis 0, y, 0. Similarly for z-axis 0, 0, z. Here just find out foot of perpendicular on x-axis only, So that's why for the given problem, the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 2, 5, 7 on x-axis is x, 0, 0 means you can take 2, 0, 0. That's why option is A. Next problem. The plane x by 4 plus y by 3 minus z by 5 equal to 1 cuts the axis at ABC. Then the area of the triangle ABC is option A root 769, option B root 51 by 2, option C root 51, option D root 769 by 2. Already we discussed in the synopsis the area of the triangle formed by the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1 is 1 by 2 under the root of a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. This is the area of the triangle formula when plane in the form of intercept form. That's why first take the given plane x by 4 plus y by 3. Here minus z by 5 is given, minus right in denominator. So plus z by minus 5 equal to 1. Compare with intercept form x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So a value is 4, b value 3, c value minus 5. So substitute in the formula, area formula 1 by 2 root over a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square. So this equal to 1 by 2 root over 4 square into 3 square plus 3 square into minus 5 square plus minus 5 square into 4 square. So this equal to 1 by 2 root over 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9, minus 5 square is 25. Here minus 5 square 25, 4 square is 16. 16 9 ja 144, 25 9 225, 25 into 16 400. So this value is equal to root 769. So into 1 by 2. So option is D. Next problem. The plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 1 meets the coordinate axis in ABC. Then centroid of the triangle ABC is. So here plane is given, you had to calculate centroid of the triangle ABC. This plane meets the coordinate axis in ABC. Okay na? So first given plane converted to intercept form. So given plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 1. So this equal to, so 2x can be written as x by 1 by 2 plus 3y can be written as y by 1 by 3 plus z by 1 by 4 equal to 1, which in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So a value is 1 by 2, b value is 1 by 3, c value is 1 by 4. So what is the centroid of triangle formula? So centroid of triangle ABC equal to a by 3 comma b by 3 comma c by 3. So a value 1 by 2 substitute, b value 1 by 3 substitute, c value 1 by 4 substitute. You get 1 by 6 comma 1 by 9 comma 1 by 12. So option is C. Next, the image of the point 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 3 in the plane x minus y plus 2z plus 2 equal to 0 is. Option A minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 2. Option B 2 comma minus 3 comma minus 5. Option C 2 comma minus 4 comma 0. Option D minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Already you know the formula image. Let h comma k comma l be image of the given point 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 3 in the plane x minus y plus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. Formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to l minus z1 by c equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. So given point treat as x1 y1 z1. Given plane compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d. So a value is 1, b value is minus 1, c value is 2, d value is 2. Substitute in the formula. So h minus 3 by 1 equal to k plus 4 by minus 1 equal to l minus 3 by 2, l plus 3 by 2 equal to minus 2 into the point substitute in the plane. So you get 3 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 2 by 1 plus 1 plus 4. Because of a value is 1, b value is minus 1, c value is 2. So a square plus b square plus c square means 1 plus 1 plus 4. So here h minus 3 by 1 is nothing but h minus 3 equal to k plus 4 by minus 1 equal to l plus 3 by 2 equal to minus 2 into this value is nothing but 3 by 6. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 cancel, remaining is minus 1. So h minus 3 equal to minus 1, k plus 4 by minus 1 equal to minus 1, l plus 3 by 2 equal to minus 1. H minus 3 equal to minus 1 means h equal to 3 minus 1. So h value is 2. Next, k plus 4 equal to minus 1, bring this side, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So k value is minus 3. Next, L plus 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 means L plus 3 equal to minus 2, L equal to minus 5. Therefore, image is 2 minus 3 minus 5. So, option B. Similarly, next, calculating foot of perpendicular. So, foot of perpendicular from 1 comma 3 comma 4 on the plane 2x plus 3y plus z plus 2 equal to 0 is calculating foot of perpendicular. So, use the formula what? H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to L minus z1 by c equal to, here only minus will come, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. So, foot generally you can take h comma k comma l, given point you treat as, given point 1 comma 3 comma 4 treat as x1 y1 z1, given plane compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So, substitute values here, h minus 1 by 2 equal to k minus 3 by 3 equal to L minus 4 by 1 equal to minus of point substitute in the plane, in the place of x1, in the place of y3, in the place of z4. Substitute you what you get 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 by a square plus b square plus c square means 4 plus 9 plus 1. This value is nothing but minus 17 by 14. Next, each term equate to minus 17 by 14. So, h minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 17 by 14, k minus 3 by 3 equal to minus 17 by 14, L minus 4 equal to minus 17 by 14. Next, here 2 1 2 7 h equal to what? 1 minus 17 by 7. So, h equal to minus 10 by 7. Because of here LCM is 7 minus 17. 7 minus 17 is nothing but minus 10. So, next, k minus 3 equal to 3 multiply here. Minus 17 into 3 is minus 51, minus 15 by 14. So, k equal to 3 minus 51 by 14 is nothing but minus 9 by 14. Next, L equal to what? 4 minus 17 by 14. So, LCM is 14, 14 4 ja 56, 56 minus 17 is 39. So, 39 by 14 L value. So, finally, foot of perpendicular point is minus 10 by 7, minus 9 by 14, 39 by 14. Therefore, option is A. Next question, the equation x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0 represents what? First option plane, second option pair of planes, third option line, fourth option origin. So, the given equation is what? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. So, x square plus y square plus z square equal 0 only when that resultant value only 0, resultant value is 0 only when x, y, z are positives only, not possible to take negative, because of if you take x is negative, x square is positive. So, that is why this situation holds only when x value 0, y value 0, z value 0. So, all are equal to 0 only, that is why. So, the given equation represents the origin only. So, option D is the correct answer. Next problem, important model, the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 is option A 150, option B 145, option C root 155 by 2, option D 155 by 2. So, how to calculate area of the triangle if the 3 vertices is given? We have the formula 1 by 2 modulus of AB cross AC. If the vertices is given, you had to find out first drs of AB, next to drs of AC only. Compulsory initial point is same. If you calculate AB, next calculate compulsory AC only. Initial point is same. So, that is why first calculate AB drs. So, position vector of AB bar is nothing but second point minus first point, B minus A. So, 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 is nothing but 1, comma 3, comma minus 4. Next, similarly, AC. AC is nothing but C minus A. So, minus 1, minus 1, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3. This equal to minus 2, comma minus 1, comma minus 1. So, next calculate AB cross AC. AB cross AC. So, determinant of I, J, K, first row, second row AB quotient, AB 1, 3, minus 4. So, next to AC values, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. Calculate this determinant value. So, I into I of I minor is 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus of minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. So, that is why you get minus 3, minus 4. Minus J into So j into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 2 into minus 4 is 8. So minus 8 plus k into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus or minus plus 6. So this value is minus 7i. Next to this one plus 9j plus 5k. Calculate this magnitude value. How to calculate magnitude? Under the root of I quotient square, j quotient square, k quotient square. Minus 7 whole square is 49. 9 square is 81. 5 square is 25. So this value is equal to under the root of 155. So area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 modulus of AB cross AC. So this equal to 1 by 2 under the root of 155.